Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with the Karnataka Secondary Education Board new pattern model paper, that is multiple choice question based model paper. Okay, so here in paper 1 you will have mathematics, science and social, that is all subject will have 40 marks. 40 plus 40 plus 40, that is 120 marks. So today we are going to solve the mathematics multiple choice question. Here they have given 40 multiple choice question. You have to write the correct answer in the OMR sheet. Okay, just you have to fill the correct answer in the OMR sheet. Here the first question is, it's of Kannada medium as well as English medium. So I'm going to prefer English medium here. So the first one question is, if a pair of linear equation 3x plus 2ky is equal to 2 and 2x plus 5y plus 1 is equal to 0 are parallel to each other, then the value of k is. Here the very important thing is condition. What condition is given? They have given parallel, word parallel. These two equations are parallel. Then the value of k is, first option 15 by 4 they have given, second 3 by 2, and C 5 and D 4 by 15. Let us check now which is the correct answer in this. Okay. So the first, I have already solved here key answer of model question paper. So the questions are 3x plus 2ky is equals to 2 and 2x plus 5y plus 1 equal to 0. So here this first equation is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0. So the condition for parallel lines are a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is not equal to c1 upon c2. Okay, which is not equal to c1 upon c2 leave. We will take a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2. a1 value is 3, a2 value is 2 is equal to b1 value is 2k and b2 value is 5. Okay, let us cross multiply now. 2k into 2. 2k, 2 2s are 4. 4k is equal to 5 3s are 15. K is equals to 15 by 4. So option A is 15 by 4. So the correct answer is 15 by 4. A option is 15 by 4. So the correct option is 15 by 4. Second question is, the pair of equation 2x minus 5y plus 4 equal to 0 and 2x plus y minus 8 equal to 0 has. Here previous condition was given, some parallel condition it was given. Here the pair of linear equation has A, exactly 2 solution, B, infinitely many solution, C, a unique solution, and D, no solution. And we know the conditions. So let us start solving here. So the question number 2 is 2x minus 5y plus 4 equal to 0 and 2x plus y minus 8 equals to 0. These are the two equations. We know that A1 equals to 2, B1 is equals to minus 5 and C1 is equals to 4. And A2 is equals to 2, B2 is equals to 1, C2 is equals to minus 8. Okay, values we have written. Now, we can see what conditions are there in between. 2 upon minus 5, 2 upon 2. A1 upon A2 na, 2 upon 2 is equals to minus 5 upon 1. But 2 upon 2 is not equals to minus 5 upon 1. So here the first condition only is 2 upon 2 is nothing but 1. 1 is not equals to minus 5. Okay. So A1 upon A2 is not equal to B1 upon B2. Once A1 upon A2 is not equal to B1 upon B2, we know that it is intersecting lines. And for intersecting lines, we know it is unique solution. Correct option is C, unique solution. Okay, let us see the next question. The values of, third one question, the values of x and y when a point lies on the linear equation 2x minus 3y equals to 12. Okay, here the values lies between the linear equation 2x minus 3y is equals to 12. Which is the correct option they have given? X is equals to 0, y is equals to minus 3, x is equals to 2, y is equals to 3, x is equals to 3, y is equals to minus 2, or x is equals to minus 2, y is equals to 3. Here we have to use trial and error method. By applying trial and error method, the correct value is x is equals to 3 and y is equals to minus 2. How? Here in x place, 2 into x value 3 minus 3 into y value minus 2 equal to 12 as it is. 3 to the 6 minus plus 3 to the 6 is equals to 12. 12 is equals to 12. By using trial and error method, if you take C option, then only you will get equal. Other options, if you try, you will not get the correct answer. So it is a trial and error method. Okay. So the next question is, identify the wrong statement with respect to a pair of linear equation. From this, which is the wrong statement we have to identify. We know that in this many are correct statement. If lines are parallel, there is no solution, it is correct. But if lines are perpendicular to each other, there is no solution. They have told it is wrong statement. Here we didn't learn about this statement, that is, if the lines are perpendicular to each other, there is no solution. Option B is wrong statement. So you have to write option B is, if the lines are perpendicular to each other, there is no solution. Okay, let us see the next question. Question number 5. Question number 5 is, here we can see the 10th term of AP. AP is given minus 3, minus 1, 1, 3 is. Which term? 10th term of an AP is. Option A 20, option B minus 21, C minus 15 and D 15. Let us check now. Okay, here the AP have written minus 3, minus 1, 1, 3. First term is always, what is the first term? A. A is equals to minus 3. D is equals to minus 1 minus 3. A2 minus A3. A2 minus A3. Minus 1 is equals to minus plus 3 as it is. Plus minus is minus. 3 minus 1 is 2, greater sign is plus, so plus 2. Okay, D value we got plus 2. Now we want 10th term to solve. 10th term is equals to A plus 9D. A value is minus 3 plus 9 into D value is plus 2, we got plus 2 minus 3 as it is. 9 3s are 9 2s are 18. So 18 minus 3 is nothing but 15. Greater sign is plus, so plus 15. So the correct option is D 15. So the correct answer is D 15. Okay. So the next question, the nth term of an AP is given by AN is equals to 7 minus 4N. Then the common difference is, here nth term is given 7 minus 4N. Then the common difference is A4, B minus 4, C3 and D minus 3. Let us see what is given here. Okay. Here AN is equals to 7 minus 4N they have given. We have to find the common difference. First term we will find A1. N place 1 we will write. A1 is equals to 7 minus 4 into N place, again we will write 1. 7 minus 4 1s are 4. 7 minus 4 is 3. So we got here first term. A1 we got 3. Let us see A2. A2 is equals to n place A2, right? We have to write 7 minus 4 into n place what? 2. A2 is equals to 7 as it is, minus 4 to the 8. A2 is equals to minus 1 we got. A2 is equals to minus 1 because greater number is having negative sign. Now we want common difference. How we will get common difference? D is equals to second term minus first term. A2 minus A1. D is equals to second term is minus 1 minus first term is 3. So minus minus is plus. D is equals to minus minus. Always we should do plus, but sign should be minus. Correct answer is B minus 4. Okay. B minus 4 is a correct option. Now next question. Question number 7. If 4, A, B, 28 are in AP. Here they have given 4, A, B, 28 are in AP. Then the value of B is A 20, B 19, C 23, D 12. Let us solve this. It is given here 4, A, B and 28 are in AP. D is equals to, we know that A2 minus A1 it can be, or A3 minus A2, or A4 minus A3, like that. So, next term minus previous term, like that now. A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2, or A4 minus A3. It can be, D can be, like that. So I'll write D is equals to A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2. So A2 value is, this is A1, this is A2, this is A3 and this is A4. A2 value is A minus A1 value is 4. A1 value I will written 4 is equal to A3 value is B minus A2 value is A. Okay. We will bring A term one side. This A as it is. If I bring this A here, plus A is equals to B as it is. Minus 4 I bought here, plus 4. A plus A 2A is equals to B plus 4 as it is, because we cannot add. A is equals to B plus 4 by 2. I kept A value as it is. Okay. Now let us see. We know that again A3 minus A2 is equal to A4 minus A3. These all are D values. Okay. They are equal. Now A3 value is B minus A2 value is A. You can see the values in this. Is equal to A4 value is 28 minus A3 value is B. Okay. Now B terms we will bring one side. B as it is. This B if we bought here, plus B is equals to 28 as it is, minus A if we bring this side, plus A. B plus B 2B is equals to 28 plus A value 28 as it is, plus as it is A value is B plus 4 by 2. I have written B plus 4 by 2. Now 2 we will multiply here. 2B is as it is, 28 to the 56 plus B plus 4 by complete 2. How? Only for this it was now B plus 4. Now if we multiply this, it will be complete by 2. Now 2 to the 4. 4B is equals to 2 I have multiplied here. 4B is equals to 56 plus B plus 4. Okay. 4B as it is. Now plus B I bought here. This was plus minus B is equals to 56 plus 4, 60. 4B minus B is 3B. 3B is equals to 60. B is equals to 60 by 3. That is 20 answer. So the correct option is A 20. Correct option is A 20. Now let us see the next question. Two APs, two arithmetic progression has the same common difference. D is same for both the AP. 2 AP has same common difference. If the first term of the first AP is 3 and that of other is 8, then the difference between their third term is, okay, it's very easy. first AP we will consider and second AP we will consider. This is first AP, this is second AP. Common difference is same. D is equal to D. In both the situation, in both AP, D is equal, they have told. And first AP, first term is 3. I'll write small a. And second AP, first term is 8. It is told in the question. So to make the difference, first AP I'll take small a and second AP I'll take capital A. Okay. Now third term of first AP is a plus 2D. That is a is 3, 3 plus 2D. And second AP capital A3 is equals to a plus 2D. Capital A value is 8 plus 2D. Now difference between their third term. Difference between their third term A3 minus A3 is equals to 8 plus 2D minus 3 plus 2D. 8 plus 2D minus 3D minus plus minus 2D. 2D get cancelled. 8 minus 3 is 5. So difference between their third term is 5. So the correct option in this is D 5. Okay. Let us see the next question. So now question number 9. That is here. The sum of first n term of an AP is given by the formula Sn is equals to 3n square plus n. Then its third term is. Okay. The sum of first n term of an AP is given by the formula Sn is equals to 3n square plus n. Then its third term is A 14, B 16, C 22, D 42. Okay. Now let us see the solution. Sn is equals to 3n square plus n. Now we will substitute the value in place of n. S1. S1 is equals to 3 into 1 square plus 1. S1 is equals to 3 into 1 is 3 plus 1 as it is. S1 is equals to 3 plus 1 is 4. S1 is nothing but A1. But S2 is not A2. Here always first term is A, we know that, so A1. So S1 is equals to A1 is equals to 4. We got A1 as 4. Okay. Now S2 value we will find. S2 is equals to 3 into n plus 2 square plus 2. 3 into 2 square is 4 plus 2. 4 3 is 12 plus 2. S2 is equals to 14. S2 value 14 we got. But we don't have A2 now. But we know that S1 is nothing but A1 plus A2. Sum of all terms. Na? S2 means A1 A2. S3 means A1 plus A2 plus A3. S4 means A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4. Like that. S2 is nothing but A1 plus A2. S2 value is 14. In place of S2, 14 is equals to A1 is 4. Plus we don't know A2. A2 I kept as it is. 14 as it is. Plus 4 if I bought here minus 4 is equals to A2. So A2 what we got? 14 minus 4 is 10. Now A1 we got 4 and A2 10. So we can easily find the difference. D is equals to second term minus first term. Second term minus first term. A2 minus A1. D is equals to 10 minus 4. D is equals to 10 minus 4 is 6. Okay. We got D value is 6. As we got D value, in the question they have told us to find its third term. So third term is equals to A3 is equals to A plus 2D. A3 is equals to A value is first. Always first term is A. A value is 4 plus 2 into D value is 6. 4 plus 6 to the 12. 12 plus 4 is 16. So the third term is 16. So the correct answer is B. 16 is a correct answer. B. 16 is a correct answer. Let us see the 10th one question now. Okay. the constant term in the quadratic equation 3x square minus 3 into 2x minus 4 equal to 0 after reducing it to the standard form, that is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. What they are saying here, we have to write the constant term after making this equation. It is not in the standard form. After reducing this in the standard form, we have to write the constant term in the equation. Here they have given 3, 4, minus 12, 12. Okay, first we will reduce this equation in the standard form. Okay, 3x square minus 3 into 2x minus 4 equal to 0. 3x square as it is, because single term it is, minus, we will open this bracket here. This bracket is for this 3 na. 3 2s are 6x minus minus plus. Properly understand it well. 3x square as it is, minus 3 2s are 6x minus minus plus 3 4s are 12. Okay, now it is in the standard form. Ax square plus bx plus c. What is the constant term here? C. C is the constant term, that is 12. So c is equals to 12. So the correct option is D12. You can see here the correct option is D12. So in this video I have completed 10 problems. We know that we have 40 problems in one paper. So I have done with the 10 problems. In my next video I am continue from question number 11. So do like and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.